the Ramchal Kabbalah is different than the Arizal and the Rashash in the way that the Ramchal's way is to give klalim, to give like general rules. That's generally his system, and when it comes to the Kabbalah, so it becomes to be very, very significant, because for many people it becomes to be a very, very big challenge, for sure with the Rashash, but even with the Arizal, to get like the picture of what's going on, what's flying, because there's so many things. And for most of the people, when they get into advanced part of the Etz Chaim or Tzorot Chaim, so they already forgot the beginning and they don't have like the full picture. And that's the unique niche of the Ramchal, that he gives you like in a very, very brief way full structure. And then obviously it's like boxes, you have to fill them up with so when you after you get the general structure of the Ramchal, and then you go to the Tzorot Chaim, and then to the Etz Chaim, so you can make it wider and still keep the organized structure of the Ramchal. And that's a unique quality. So for me, I would say that's also the Ramchal in the introduction, not so much here in the Ilan HaKadosh, but the introduction that he wrote for Klach Pitchei Chochmah. So he writes something very similar to that language. And I see that like specifically with the Kabbalah of the Rashash, it's more significant. For many people, it's very, very hard to grasp like where does it going, where does it start, and where does it goes. You know, there is individuals that are able, for sure, like Rav Vichai and like some of his students are, but most of the people, there's so many details that many people, they find themselves like lost with all of this sea of information of like all kinds of details, and they don't know what to do with it. In the other hand, if you have only the Ramchal and you don't have the Rashash, so you have only the general pictures, but you don't go into the details, so also you're missing something, right? And specifically, it seems that the Rashash, he did it for a reason. For him, he felt that this is the way to do the tikkun, to go to the details of the details of the details. And so, according to that approach, if you don't do that, if you stay only with the general rules, so you miss the opportunity to do the tikkun. So for me, I think that the right way is to combine the take of the Ramchal on the Kabbalah of the Arizal and the Rashash on the Kabbalah of the Arizal, and for me that gives quite a complete picture.
If each one has something to contribute,
right?
I mean, the world usually is very divided.
Right.
Ashkenazim and Ramchal, Sfaradim and Rashash, and there's no connection.
Yeah. But the Ramchal, by the way, it seems that he was Sfardi.
He was, but that's just the
right? Because the Vilna Gaon gave his like said he will walk to him if he would have been alive. He would have walked to him to learn by him. Yeah. Then all the Ashkenazim that are following the
I know that's
it's interesting like way that Hashem is rolling the world. That's for sure. And that's for that. B'ezrat Hashem, and B'ezrat Hashem. Get involved more and more.